William Ruto obago romo kod jotend jopuonj mopogore opogore e kar jot mare e boma ma Nairobi. Ruto singo mar yudo yore mag kedo kod achiedh nade ma jopuonj kale, kamoting'o leo mag omenda miore skunde, medo jopuonj osara, medo omenda michwalo e skunde, siro somo e kind mamoko. Matimore e kinde ma skunde ma pacho kae kale matek kaluwore kod leo mar omenda mago mag siro somo mar tam mar adek ma nyaka sani pok ochopo e thoth skunde.
Transforming education was not a political issue. Transforming education was deliberate because through education, whether you look at Korea, whether you look at Singapore, whether you look at Malaysia, intellectuals, the capacity for people to understand things, education was at the center of their own transformation. And that is why I took matters education seriously, because I knew that it is going to be part of the levers that we are going to use if we were to move Kenya to the first world. That is why the budget of education was 540 in 2022. As I told you, now we are at 702 billion. We've hired teachers the way you know. We built classrooms, as I have told you. We have done a funding model changed the funding model to put more resources in our universities. We have started the Open University of Kenya. We have increased the number of tutors in our TVETs from 6,900, to now 10,000. And we are hiring another 3,000 or 4,000 in the coming budget. We have moved and the number of private sector companies that are now working with our TVETs, we've moved them. We used to have 65. Now we have 2,800 different companies providing training, internship for our students in TVET.